In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your N8n workflows quickly and safely. This will only take a couple of minutes, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official N8n website. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign In button in the top right corner and log into your account. After signing in, you'll land inside your N8n dashboard where all your workflows are stored. Next, pick the workflow you want to back up. Just click on it to open it in the editor. At the top, look for the three-dot menu, also called the ellipsis. Click on it and from the drop-down choose Download. This will instantly save your workflow to your device as a JSON file. Make sure you store this file somewhere safe because this is your full workflow backup. If you're also backing up your credentials, remember that those can only be exported through CLI commands on a self-hosted setup. This ensures all your connected services can be restored whenever needed. Once everything is downloaded, store your JSON files and credentials in secure cloud storage or a protected drive. Regular backups protect you from data loss and make migration or restoration effortless. And that's it. Your N8n workflow is now backed up. Easy, fast, and essential for keeping your automation safe.